The substance copper 2 oxide, any metal oxides and metal hydroxides, we would call them as bases. So bases are basically metal oxides and metal hydroxides. So as you can see, copper 2 oxide starts with the name of a metal, which is copper, and then the word ends with the word oxide, so it's a base. So of course, there are a couple of options A and B. Option A says it could be an alkali, option B says it's a base. We know for a fact that option C and D cannot be the case, because for it to be an ammonium salt, it must start with the word ammonium. So since copper 2 oxide does not start with the word ammonium, it's not possible for it to be option C. And neither it is ion of a group 7 element, so it's not a halide. Now, what is the difference between an alkali and a base? Now, of all the bases, as long as they are metal oxides or metal hydroxides, we would call them bases. But among the bases, some of them are soluble in water while the others are not. The insoluble bases, we just call them bases. We don't call them alkalis. Only those bases that are soluble in water, we would call them alkalis. Now, copper 2 oxide is not soluble in water. Therefore, we cannot call that as an alkali. So, copper 2 oxide is only a base, and since it is not soluble, it is not an alkali. So, the substance copper 2 oxide is a base.